I am going to approach this question by looking for where the vertical asymptote is. I'm expecting it to be somewhere along here, and it's going to occur when the bottom of the fraction is equal to 0, so I need 2x minus 5 equals 0, and that will give me the vertical asymptote. Whoops. I think that's how you spell it. That would give me x equals 5 over 2, or 2.5, so that's 5 over 2. It hasn't moved in the up or down direction, so it would look like this. There is an interesting question here, which is how would I describe that transformation? Well, it wasn't asked for, so we don't necessarily need to talk about it. What's happened? Well, there's 3 transformations. The whole thing has been times by 3, so that's kind of scaled it in the up and down direction by times 3. It's been scaled in the left and right direction by a half because it does the opposite of times 2, and the minus 5 means it's been shifted to the right by 5. But of course, oh wait a sec, it hasn't been shifted by 5, it's been shifted by 5 over 2. So I'm kind of using slightly lazy logic here, but it looks like it must have been transformed by plus 5 in x direction, then times a half in x direction, then times 3 in y direction. And I said lazy because I've just lazily done it because it forces it to be 5 over 2. If I times by a half in the x direction and then added 5, it would have ended up at 5. The asymptote would have ended up at 5, which clearly it hasn't. So I used the fact that I'd already worked out where the vertical asymptote was to work out the transformation and the sequence it would have happened in.